So now I have to get the fuel injection stuff off of there. The intake, the fuel pump's got to go because it's higher pressure. That's flowing like 36 psi, and we only need 4-ish. And then the electronics. I think it's gonna sound more difficult than it really is, but we'll see. We're fixing to have so much more room for activities. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna get it up in the air because I got to get under there for the fuel pump stuff. Plus, I got to put on that high torque starter. So I'm gonna need to disconnect the battery. But let me do this first. Okay, get up in the air. So there's a bit of a rainstorm outside, but that's not going to stop me. If I have to, I'll dub over. So we are going to remove the fuel injection system and install dual Weber 40mm DC-NF carburetors. It's going to make more horsepower. It's going to sound better. We're going to get to 7,000 RPM and 121 mile an hour. So because I'm jacking around with electronics, first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the battery. So most of this we're not going to reuse unless we convert it back.
choking, dying last breath. Their entangling cries, or confusion surmounts as they die. Stars overhang, a background play dreaming. The lights of a Paso, they dance on the way. With poison pen I sign allegiance and my musket and my life. Will I guide the tide, or I'll plunder on command? For if I don't leave tonight, I shall be damned. and it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more. I've been a Royal Rover for many's a year, and I spent all my money on the hookers and the beer. But now I'm returning with Golden Great Store, and I never would play the Wild Rover no more, and it's no, they never, no, they never, no more will I play the Wild Rover, no, never, no more. And I went to an old ale house I used to frequent, and I told the landlady all my money is spent. I asked her for credit, she said, "Bug off, go away. You're a dirty old hippie, and please go away." Oh, it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the Wild Rover. No, never, no more. I took out from my pockets the gold coins shining bright, and the landlady's legs, they opened wide with delight. Oh, she said I have the whiskies and the wines of the best, and I snorted cocaine off her grandmother's chest, and it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the Wild Rover. No, never, no more. Come on. I'll go back to your mother, I'll confess what I've done, and I'll ask her to pardon her old transvestite son. And if she molests me like last night and before, sure it's then I might play the Wild Rover just a little more, and it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the Wild Rover. No, never, no more, and it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the Wild Rover. No, never, no more, no more, no more.
So I disconnected the wiring harness from the ECU and the big double relay thing, and then I just disconnected this and this and this, and so I think it will all come out through here. I think. At least it should. Maybe. I think this is gonna work. I take this and pull this, and then pull this. Come here. Got it. Now for the big dog. There it is. The whole thing just came out. So those connections got a little corrosion on them. Okay, so we have L-Jetronic disconnected, disassembled. I need to get the fuel pump out and decide where I'm going to mount that now. This is going to be, this is kind of labor intensive. Well, that means I need to take that off. If I'm taking that off, then all that has to come off.